Good one.
People are lined up. Gates have already opened. Folks are flooding in. Hey, how y'all doing?
How are you?
Real good. So as y'all can see, the crowd is enthusiastic. Everybody's ready to get into this great event. This is gonna be a good time.
You got listen. You got something there. Welcome to Compton, man.
Appreciate it, brother.
To the hub, baby.
All right, y'all, we're back for day 2, smoking out the hub down here in Compton, California. We're at the Compton Airport. It's been a great event so far, but today, the competitors are going at it. They turn in today at 2:30, and not long after that, I'm thinking around 5 o'clock, they'll announce the winners. But there's also gonna be a whole bunch of other good food going. All the chefs are still here from day 1. They're gonna be cooking and doing demos. All types of great stuff going on here, man. They got low riders, they got stuff for the kids. Fantastic event. So let's get into day 2, y'all.
All right, now we're heading over to the competition area. This is where all of the competition teams are set up. As you can see, they all have their own booths. They have tons of equipment, all types of people in their teams. But we're going to go check out Ramon Owens. This is his very first competition, and he is a one-man team. He's doing everything all by himself. So these guys been out here all night getting it done. So let's check in with Ramon and see how his cooks are coming along.
All put them up, toss them up.
Really?
And brisket's all wrapped down there.
Okay.
So I think I'm doing pretty good. Yeah. They should be all right. For a first competition.
Yeah.
They say you get the food in, you win it. You know what I'm talking about?
Hey, man, look, that's the hard part is making that turn in, man.
Yeah, man.
For real.
Nerves was like up there, but you know what I'm talking about? I got up there, man. It's like I did what I know how to do.
Yeah.
Get it done and turn it in. You know what I'm talking about?
Absolutely.
That's it. So I'm just waiting. They ain't turning in till like 2:30. You know what I'm talking about?
Okay.
I'm just waiting. I'm just looking at them doing science projects. I ain't doing none of that. I don't even know what. I don't even understand what they doing. I'm just going on down there. You understand me?
Hey, bro. Sometimes that's the best strategy.
Yeah,
Keep it simple, man.
That's the only plan I came with. You understand me? That's all I got. That's it. That's all I got, man. Dude. Hopefully I play.
I hope so,
win
man.
it, though.
I understand,
win
bro.
it, man. Like, I do. I ain't put in this much work to not win. You know what I'm saying?
For sure.
So I'm about to go at it, get the best I got.
That's what it's all about, bro.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that's all I can do, bro.
That's it, man.
I'm excited though. I had a good time doing it. You know.
Good.
I mean? That's what it was about for me, bro. I just want to have a good time. I ain't never competed before. So
Yeah.
that's the whole purpose of taking it. You know, just come out here and do something I ain't never done. That experience. You know what I'm talking about?
Right.
So,
Okay, good stuff. Best of luck to you, bro.
Man, I appreciate it.
Hey, man, tell the folks who you are and your operation, man.
Man, I'm Owens BBQ. You can find me in Lamar Park over 43rd and Degnan. I'm there every Sunday from 11 to sell out, so about 11 to 4, so you got to get there quick to sell out.
My man, appreciate you, bro.
Thank you.
Now we're checking out the vendor area. Got all types of stuff going on here. Snacks, desserts, 2 different barbecue restaurants, hot chicken, all kind of great stuff, y'all. These lines were insane. They were doing great stuff.
You had a good time last night? Woo, yeah. I wanted to drink.
Big Kev, it's day 2, man.
Day 2, baby. Last day.
How was day 1?
Good.
How was day
It was
1?
incredible. How you feel about it?
Man, I think it was a success.
VIP dinner with about 200 people. I think the menu was incredible. I think being up close with all these chefs was incredible. I think it's been an incredible event sometime today. Today is the climax.
Absolutely. We're going to get it done, man.
Interview with Destination Smokehouse. They legendary.
Oh, that's who I need to talk to.
With the Oxtail.
How y'all guys doing? I didn't know you were coming here today. Oh, yeah. Good to see you on the mix. Hi, how you doing?
All right, well, welcome.
How you doing? I'm Brandon, man.
Right, Black Diamond.
Good to meet you.
I see you too.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going pretty well. Rolling. Yeah. Man, trying to do the best. Yeah. I don't think we've ever met before. Bobby. Yeah.
This line is for Destination Smokehouse, y'all. They got the longest line out here. Mr. Wall, yo, tell me why they need to be stopping over here at your booth, man.
Look at here, I'm gonna tell y'all something. This is Black Diamond, Destination Smokehouse Eatery. We was out of Hemet, we got another spot in Marietta. But I got some Black Diamond oxtails, boy, look at here. Tenderism is what they do. I say we specialize in tenderism. Step right up, right there, and you come on down, right here, at the Black Diamond oxtail.
My bad.
All right. Hey, I got to make sure everything going right with them. But they want to know I'm trying to sneak up on them because they think they ain't tender. But
You want to go sneak up on them?
Yeah, because I got to wait and get one. Hey, Nick. Hey, let me have one of them oxtails, man.
What you shooting on?
Uh-oh.
Hey,
Uh-oh.
here we go right here. Now I ain't come up here to be playing. Just these oxtails. I said tenderism is what we do. Now, here you go, man. Tell them how you got here.
All right, man. I'm a foodie now, y'all.
Tell them how you got here.
Let me see.
Look, he couldn't even get it in his
Hey.
mouth.
Hey, what I say tenderism. I wasn't playing they think I came down here to be playing? No,
Wow.
not at all.
Wow.
Booyah.
You did that.
That's what I'm talking
Two
about.
plates right now.
So we're back in Destination's booth. They're putting together one of their Black Diamond platters with brisket, oxtails, everything they've got back there. And I got to tell you, man, that platter looked damn good.
Are y'all here for the oxtails?
So if he's recording you and you with somebody you're not supposed to be with,
I had one. You will not be disappointed.
3 million people gonna see it. I'm telling you.
Oh, yeah, you're going to enjoy both.
Yes. All right.
Big Stacks.
Yes, Lord, the best Lord. Hello.
What's going on, brother?
We outside today. Shout out Bludso Barbecue, Compton Airport, Sniffy Breakfast Barbecue. It's a collaboration. No hate, no players. You better know it. From the Himalayas. And we got grilled pineapple. We got Compton grilled pineapple ribs today. You understand? The first one to do it. You understand? And you may be the last one to use it. Hello, not yellow. Sure.
Now we're checking in with Moo's Craft Barbecue out of Los Angeles. That brisket, y'all, let me tell you something. That brisket is amazing, but they also had smoked pork belly burnt ends that were just, man, I can't even explain it. Those pork belly burnt ends were absolutely phenomenal. Moo's Craft is very popular. They have an amazing reputation, and after having tried their stuff, yeah, I got to tell you, it is well deserved. And the folks were super, super nice, y'all. But they were putting out amazing product, as you can see. That's a nice little plate of brisket. They threw a couple burnt ends on there. If you're in the LA area, check out Moo's Craft. Hopefully we'll get them on the podcast soon.
This is Team Inland Empire. They're getting their rib box together. And all the final touches.
Time. 256.
It shows you how intense this competition is. You got 3 guys working together to put a box together, but that's what it takes.
All right, locking.
Keep it safe. I'll block for you.
So now they got to get it all the way over to the judges' table without anything messing up. So they usually have a blocker. That's the guy on the right who's not carrying the box. He's going to make sure nobody bumps into him, nobody stops their progress. They do have a time limit. And again, you don't want anybody to bump that box because that's going to ruin all that work they just did. So you just did your turn in on ribs, bro. How y'all feeling?
Yes, sir, man. I mean, we're feeling pretty good. You know, next up is brisket. But we're feeling pretty good, pretty confident in what we put up and what we put on that plate. So,
what box you got next?
we got brisket up next, and then after brisket, we have the side. So just brisket and side left, and we're good to go.
My man, I appreciate it, brother.
Appreciate you too, brother.
Yes, sir. All right, we've got my man from Owens BBQ here, bro. What did you just turn in?
I just turned in spare ribs.
How you feeling about it?
Man, I feel good about it. It was a long cook. It's a couple things I could have corrected, like pulling the membrane and things like that. But I think I still got good flavor. Sauce was great, so I'm feeling real good about it.
My man, what's your next turn in?
Next turn in is at 3:30. That's going to be the brisket, the big boy.
My man, hey, wish you all the luck, brother.
Man, thank you, bro. I
Yes,
appreciate
sir.
y'all.
No
on
doubt.
barbecue.
I was in the right place at the right time. That little end rib they're picking up is coming to me, and that was a damn good rib.
That's a good ass rib.
Let's check in with my man AB. He's prepping for his cooking demo.
I'm with my man AB from Grilling and Smoking with AB. What you working on, bro?
You know, I gotta make these gumbo greens for everybody, bro. You know, this is probably one of my 20 videos that are like super, viral. You know?
Yeah.
So after the reaction everybody had yesterday,
Yeah.
I'll go ahead and just, throw these down and then do a demo. So one thing about me, man, I don't gatekeep or do nothing like that. You know what I mean? I give everybody the information, they take it and make it for whatever they, whatever's worth.
Right.
With that being said, homie, I'm down with you though, bro.
Hey, bro, I appreciate that, man.
Sure.
Next up is the chef demo. Chef Grubby was doing the stuffed shrimp demo. Then my man AB came along. He's showing everybody how to get those gumbo greens going. Then after that, Rasheed Phillips came up. Check out his demo on the tomahawk steaks.
I appreciate y'all coming out. You come here for a history lesson on steak. You came here to eat, so I'm gonna get to it. This is my favorite part. If you got something, if you're making this at home, trim this off. Auntie Delilah already threatened my life twice, saying I better leave the bones. I told her I love her and respect her, but I'm hungry. Now, I know in the culture, we like to overcook our meats, and we're afraid of seeing this, we're afraid of seeing that. I promise you, it's not blood, it's not any of that, it's hemoglobin, and there's so much flavor.
And to close out the cooking demo, we have none other than Auntie Delilah.
One of the best sellers
Wow.
when it came out.
This lady's award winning, you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have a lot on here today. You're gonna make something really nice.
I'm going to show everybody how I make my 7-cheese macaroni and cheese.
So the VIP was jam-packed on day 2. When you go to these events, man, I always recommend VIP. The perks and experiences are always just that much better. But the folks were getting out, meeting all the chefs, meeting all the people who came along. And I gotta tell y'all, man, it was a party, y'all. It was like family. It was just like a big old cookout family reunion type vibe, man. The folks had a really good time. I know I certainly did. I can't stress enough, y'all. If this is your type of vibe, get out here, get to these events, man. You're guaranteed to have a great time. And to shut this one out, y'all, we had Compton's own Yo-Yo doing her thing. When I tell you she shut it down, y'all. So I'm going to thank y'all for watching. I'm going to let Yo-Yo do her thing and Bree gonna sew home. I'll catch y'all on the next one.
He don't mind me flirting with her. But when it's all over, it's and what they don't know won't hurt. Well, my juice giving the girls blues. My cat is quite fat, don't you think so? Well, come out them clothes, my nigga can fit those. Ain't seen nothing till you see